Hey everyone, this is Vinith from SNS Institutions. So today we will explore the basic of data visualization. In simple terms, it is about turning raw numbers into visual like charts, graphs, and maps so we can easily understand the patterns and insights. Let us dive in. So what is data visualization? So data visualization is the graphical representation of the information. So instead of reading pages of numbers, we use visual to specific complex data. In today's data-driven world, it is crucial because it helps us identify trends, compare values, and make better decisions. Think of it as a bridge between data and understanding. So it is quite easy for us reading a raw number than reading a raw number, being a chart or a map, we can identify the flaws which happened inside or gain more insights about it. So, types of data visualizations. We commonly use charts and graphs to make numerical data easy to interpret. For example, a bar chart can quickly show a sales for performance across months. We also have interactive visualizations where you can click, filter, or zoom in on data. So these are especially useful for exploring large data sets, giving us a deeper insights in real time. So now, how do you how do we create these visualizations? So programming libraries in um, Metapultap in Python or D3 in JavaScript give more control and customize great for like learning. And we can use Excel also to create charts to interrupt with the data. So we can use Tableau and Power BI, which is like more user friendly for us. So you don't need to be a programmer. You can just drag and drop your data to get beautiful visuals in Tableau and Power BI because even in we'll be processing the data on Excel. So we'll be filtering data, we'll be cleaning the data. With all the processes, we get our final set of data, which can be used for data visualizations. So that data can be imported to Tableau or Power BI. So on the drag and drop options, we can easily put onto our designs where we will find a massive, creative, beautiful visuals that can be easily understood by a stakeholder or what to do on the next plot. See, yes, that is how we commonly create charts, we commonly create graphs, but every chart, every graph has their particular meanings. So, yes, we need to understand what chart should be used on what sort of data. We cannot use pie chart to differentiate the months. We can use pie chart to differentiate the percentage of sales or percentage of the performance which the internal operations or whether it could be an external. But to show the percentage, we should use pie chart. Particularly, we do have different sort of charts, different sort of diagrams or like heat maps to be shown in the graphical manner so that people can easily understand what we are interrupting in it. So yes, while showing the geographical things, the sales which happened in south, north, or east and west, we use the geographical maps or heat maps so that we can easily identify where the sales hits high or where the product hits more value. So we can focus on it where the sales can be increased more higher, the marketing place where we can do so all these identifications comes particularly in charts. So using the precise chart or like using the correct chart, we can blow our sales into a next level path. So yes, tools and techniques. So now, how do we create or like um, these visuals. So as we talked, we are into like a lot of visualization tools now. Even AI can also generate and AI can also give us a detailed uh, notes on like detailed graphs on what we create, but the precise things which comes by the tools which is in a traditional methods also, the way can be easier through AI, but you should check whether it is right or not. Every time when AI creates, we need to cross check it. We need to ensure that it interruptions are clear or not. So by the time these tools help. As I said before, Tableau and Power BI are the easiest tools where you can drop just in rows and columns, where it can easily give you a right amount of data in a right amount of chart. The visualization which it created as a dashboard, where we can put in all the numbers into a diagraphical way. So on the time, as per the psychological ways, it is easier to understand when it is in charts or like when it is in a graphical way than in a numerical way. So the best practices, creating the visual is easy, but creating the right visual needs practice. Avoid common pitfalls like uh, cluttered charts or misleading scales, which can confuse your audience. Always design for clarity. Choose the right color, simple layout, and clear label so that your message is instantly understood. So, yes, to sum up, data visualization is not just about making data look pretty. It is about telling a story, uncovering insights, and helping people make better decisions. I hope you would have got some thoughts and ideas about data visualization. Thank you so much.